Cleveland's about to issue an SVR for northeastern Trumbull County soon, and my county will cover that, so they're going to issue it. There we go! Trouble!
Northeastern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Ashtabula County in northeastern Ohio, until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Kinsman, or 16 miles north of Sharpsville, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Kinsman and Andover. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula and Trumbull. This is NOAA weather.
Trumbull!
Showers likely in the morning. Then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon.
Oh. Never mind. Oh.